Cop watch, Aztlan. So here at the Alex and Sons Gas and Food, it's a 24-hour liquor store. But a lot of times, what's going on, Billings? All right, thanks. So just no, not today. Why are we even questioning the passenger? The passenger has nothing to do with the traffic stop.
Neither do you.
I know, but I'm advocating for the people. And unless, even if he's on probation, you're not even supposed to ask him. It's a traffic stop. You guys are dealing with the driver and the traffic violation. That's the problem. You guys are always looking for something, Billings. So it looks like they could possibly be violating this gentleman's rights. Because a lot of times they'll pull somebody over and then they'll start asking the passengers their name, but it has nothing to do with the reason why they stopped them. And they want to know if somebody's on probation so that way they can search the car, but they should have no reason to ask the passengers any questions. It should be a traffic stop for the driver, and that's it. See, a lot of people don't know their rights, so they give their names and wait till they get cleared, and it's just a waste of time. Not only that, but this is taxpayers' dollars. Kind of like that's what we call hypertension. It's when officers are looking for something and they don't have no probable cause. See again, here we go. So what started off as a simple traffic stop. Idiot. So the gentleman saying he got out the hospital, and this officer just insists on searching him. So there they are. They yanked the passenger out the car for no reason, violating the gentleman's rights. I'm sure you had nothing to do with the traffic stop. So now they're yanking. They're trying to get the driver to come out. See, a lot of times when they ask if someone's on probation, you don't answer questions, period. But if the officers, they violate our rights by seeing if somebody's on probation, so that way they could yank everybody out the car and start looking for something. But sad. You know, probable cause is one thing. You have probable cause, and then you have beyond a reasonable suspicion. So he's saying this guy was on probation, so they yanked both of them out the car. That's not following protocol. These guys are looking for something. They got no 911 call. They got no 911 call. They just want to know what do they have in the car, what they could find to take home to their master. Violating these gentlemen's rights. What's up, bro? It's good. It's good.
Rights getting violated, huh?
Yeah, as usual.
That's a new gang pass.
What's wrong? He been there for a little bit. Oh, yeah.
I've never seen that type of car.
Yeah. The Blue Dragon, the new Blue Dragon.
The new Blue Dragon, shit. Big ass food.
We pay for that.
We pay for that, for real though.
Yeah. So again, these guys are known for yanking people out their cars, looking for something. They normally attack the working class. Show, bro. Show, you too. Got two more, huh? All right. They got new Blue Dragons. New Blue Dragons. Oh, another one. They're all over the place. Hello, Davies. Yeah, I do. Uh-huh. Likewise. 1304763. That's Davies. Again at the Alex & Sons 24-hour liquor store. Cop watch Aztlan. Hey, do me a favor. Give me a cigarette and I'll get you back. You got a cigarette?
I got this one, you want it?
Yep.
Watch out, it's broken right there at the end. I had to fix it.
I'm looking. Just for the record, you guys can't be just yanking people out the cars, man, because there's a traffic stop. You had nothing to do with the passenger. Come on, man. Slow down that hypertension.
I appreciate you.
For sure. It's good, brother. That's what I do.